Welcome to the HTML beginner series. In the last lesson, we learned about text formatting and HTML comments, where we talk about how you can apply different kind of text formats, like how you want your text to look like, or anything that you want to add using text formatting. I show us all the tags that can be used for it and how they look. I show us everything. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget subscribe to this channel so you can learn with us. So anytime we upload a new video, you'll get a notification and you keep learning with us. Today we are going to explore something fun and virtual: HTML colors. Let's make our web pages come alive with colors. So guys, let's go straight to the point. Here is the theory part. In HTML, color can be added to text, backgrounds, and borders. You can define color in four main ways. Yes, we can define color in four main ways. Number one, color name. Simple name like red, blue, green. If you know the color name, you can easily apply it that way. Simple. That's very simple. Just you grab everything, the color, red, blue, or green. You have to understand there's something we call X value, which is HEX values. That is written as RRGGBB, where R is equal to red, GG is equal to green, BB is equal to blue. Example, FF, here is the example, FF0000 is red. That is in HTML. I will show you guys what that's red, color red in the code. That's the code on its own. If you don't know, that is if you know color code, that's what they are trying to say here. And another one we have RGB values written as RGB. Then you have what you want to apply here: red, green, blue, where each value range from 0 to 255. Example, RGB open bracket 0, comma 0, comma 255 is color blue. And since there's another one we called HSL value written as HSL open bracket O saturation highlightness. I hope you understand. So with this is pure green. So now I'm going to show us how they look like, how you can apply it. So now we are moving to the practical aspects. Let me quickly rush to my virtual studio code so I can show you guys how to apply this. In our previous video, before the text formatting and commenting, we talk about styles and how we can add style attribute in on each element or any text that we want to add any attribute to. So now we are making use of the styles attribute here also. Our H1 is carrying a style attribute with a property of color and the value of red. This is heading. This heading is color red. As you can see, this heading is red. And we have another one here, styles color. We make use of HEX. This paragraph is green using HEX, as you can see. And we have another one using RGB, styles color property. The property is color and we are giving the value color blue using the RGB format. This text is blue using RGB. And there's another one here, which is the last one. We add a style attribute with the property of color and add our HSL color format with 300, 100%, and 50%, close the bracket. Then also this text is purple using HSL. Now we are adding another background colors. We have another element here, style, with a property of background color and value of light green, with a property another property of padding with a value of 10 pixels. This box has a background color. Now, what I need to do is that I'm going straight to my live server, so it's going to load this and carry us. Yes, we have it here already. As you can see, our heading homes like his own is red, and we have something here green, and we have something here using RGB, and we have something here with purple, and we have something here. This box is a background. This box has a background color. Oh, sorry. So that's that about a color. That's the color format, how you can add colors to your website. Don't forget, this is the four main ways you can add color to your website: by using the color name, by using HEX value, using the slash hash. If you know the color code, you can get it from Google or anywhere that you need the color code of this color, blah blah blah. You can apply it that way, and you can use RGB values and write it there. And we have HSL value where you can write it there also. So that's that about that. In conclusion, let me give you a deep explanation. Color names are the easiest but limited. It's not everywhere you can use the color name. Yes, and we have our HEX is the most common way in web design. Yes, if you go to any website design, if you try to inspect it and go to the styling area, you will not find the color or background color using color red, color blue. They use this. The most programmers use this. And another one we have RGB, gives more flexibility when mixing shield. I hope you understand that. It gives more flexibility. And we have our HSL. It's great for designers because it's used the help of uh, the help of hues, saturation, and lightness. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say there. In conclusion, now you know how to add color to text, backgrounds, and more using name, HEX, RGB, and HSL values. In the next video, we will dive into HTML links, where you will learn how to connect pages and make clickable navigation. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe, and comment if you are enjoying this series. Kindly comment using the comment section. Thanks for watching.